The invisible enemy does not attack your physical health alone. It takes a toll on your mental health as well. Experts across the globe have conducted research only to find out that the pandemic has left a considerate amount of impact on people's mental health well-being as well. Here is how you can beat the COVID stress.
Sleepless nights, increased anxiety, loss of appetite, and frequent occurrence of nightmares. If this is what you are facing in your daily life in these corona times, then it is time to assess your mental well-being. Experts across the globe have raised concerns over the psychological impact on people locked in their houses due to the pandemic. Experts at Britain's Oxford University suggest at least 7% of COVID patients admitted to ICUs suffered a stroke within 6 months. Lancet Psychiatry Journal analysed health records of over 236,000 COVID patients. At least 34% patients witnessed psychiatric diseases of one or the other kind within 6 months. According to University College London researchers, people with cancelled appointments and no face-to-face help felt that they were missing out on care, which further affected their mental health. Doctors across the board are going out of the way to ensure patients' mental well-being apart from curing their COVID.
जितना पैनिक होता है दुनिया में उतना ही ज़्यादा और परेशानी बढ़ती जा रही है। हम यहाँ पे सबको काउंसिल करते हैं, सबके लिए कुछ गेम्स अरेंज करते हैं कि थोड़ा थोड़ा इनका मन के इनको पूरा हर वक्त बताते हैं कि सब कुछ ठीक है, ठीक हो रहे हैं, पूरा आश्वासन देते हैं ताकि जो ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन पे हैं वो भी ना घबराएं। घबराने से कई लोग इतना पैनिक कर जाते हैं कि उनकी तबीयत ठीक होते हुए भी ज़्यादा खराब हो जाती है।
Health experts explain how one can beat the stress attached to COVID times.
To deal with it, have a healthy lifestyle. Ensure your sleep is proper. Take some me time. Do some yoga exercises. It will give you the confidence that I am taking precautions as much as I can. Stay connected with family. Stay connected with friends. Keep talking. Unmute yourself. Don't keep things bottled up. And if you are struggling, reach out to someone.
Several citizens have already taken the necessary steps to beat the mental strain caused by the invisible enemy.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, there has been a 20% increase in tele-psychiatric consultations in India, and face-to-face consultations, though, have plateaued. This is a good sign because it shows that there is an acknowledgement and understanding that there indeed is a problem. Seeking help is good. What we do not have control over is the pandemic. But what we can have a control over is how we work our way around this pandemic. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.